guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a Sargent. It's a 5-pin sort of Euro cylinder lock. It's one of the locks that was given to me by fantastic ME1977. I believe it's pinned by Texas Jim. It's the bitting on the key. Hope you can see that. Going on vacation on Tuesday, so I thought I'd try and do a quick video. It's hit and misses, this. Sometimes it opens quickly, other times it takes its time, and it's a funny key to get out for some reason. Got to push the plug in a little bit. See how we get on. Again, working around this camera. Again, got a very sore throat, so sorry guys. It does drop into very small falsets, so could indicate serrated pins in there. Try to twist it round. Try not to knock the camera. Found with this that you can drop pins rather easy. Little drops all the time with it. So everything feels like it's set. you go. Picked open. Bit difficult working round the camera. I'll gut this afterwards and show photographs because I'd love to see what's inside it. So that's a 5-pin Sargent lock, custom pinned by Texas Jim, sent to me by ME1977. So if you are newbies to lock sport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.